Hello, I'm Maria Cinque, and I'm full professor of special pedagogy and teaching methodologies. I work at LUMSA University in Rome, Italy, where I coordinate the bachelor degree in science of education and the course for teachers specializing in special educational needs. In this project, together with my team, we developed a module called Developing Creative Thinking and Problem-Solving Skills. The module consists of 5 units. In the first one, we present the different meanings of creativity across times and cultures and the different perspectives of study of creativity. In the second one, we inquire about the factors that individually or in a group can inhibit or foster creativity and how to avoid the most common traps in problem solving. The third module, the third unit, is focused on mindfulness and creativity, since mindfulness is a very powerful tool, both for individual and group creativity. The fourth unit presents different models of problem solving and gives hints on how to implement them, both in the physical and in the digital classroom. Last but not least, the final chapter presents a creativity cookbook, a toolkit, including different tools, strategies, techniques, and ready-to-use materials for teachers who want to implement creativity in their classroom and to foster problem-solving skills in their students. Enjoy the course.